But basically, when we're growing a crop, let's say cannabis here, we're going to take it through various stages in order, in this case, to optimize what we want, which in this case is the flower of the crop. So we start in the very beginning by cloning the plants, by having small seedlings that we're going to get started, and we give them relatively low levels of light, but a very long photoperiod, in this case, 18 hours. Um, and then as we get into the vegetative stage, as we're trying to increase that mass of leaves, right, and get bigger and bigger plants that can support more flowers, we're going to continue that 18-hour growth period and keep increasing light levels through that. Then we're going to, as we switch a certain period at a certain growth stage of the plant, we're going to switch over to flowering. And again, cannabis is a short day plant, so it's not going to flower if we have long days and short nights. We actually need the reverse here. So we're going to either instantaneously or gradually lessen that period to 12 hours at night. And then we're going to give it the lighting that it needs over that 12-hour time until the flowers mature and we can harvest that crop.